Hello and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to use Affirm virtual card. Now this is a very simple and easy thing to do, so make sure you watch this video right until the end so that you don't miss any steps. So the first thing you actually want to do is actually set up your card if you haven't already. And if you haven't already, feel free to just pause this video quick to follow these steps, because I'm assuming most of you will have already done this. Most of you probably want to be able to actually get your card on your phone and be able to pay with it. So I'm going to show you how to do that now. So in order to add your Affirm card to Apple Wallet or Google Pay, you first want to open up the Affirm app and then select the card tab. From there, tap on the settings gear icon in the top right corner and then tap add to Apple Pay or add to Google Pay. From there, all you have to do is follow the instructions on screen to complete the setup. And if you ever need to find your Affirm card number, you can open up the app and select the cards tab and then tap the image of your card at the top to view your card information. So these virtual cards can be really handy because it allows you to pay without the need for a physical card, and you can also enter the card information into certain websites if you don't trust them. So they do actually come in handy a lot. So that is exactly how you can use an Affirm virtual card. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please comment down below to say this video helped you out. And like and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching.